Hi, I'm Miss A, the writing lady. Today I'm going to teach you about expository. It's expository. We are a detective, so I'm going to teach you some little motions, and it goes like this. When I say expository, I'm a detective. I write an essay. It's just the facts, baby. I need a topic sentence and a concluding sentence. Let's try that together. When I say expository, I'm a detective. I write an essay. It's just the facts, baby. I need a topic sentence and a concluding sentence. Great, now we're going to do that together as a team, and we're going to try to come up with sentences here. Pretzels are terrific. First I tasted my pretzel. It was lumpy and smooth. Next I looked at it. The white salt touched my tongue. I could also see that it looked like a face. Last I tasted my pretzel. It was salty and bready. I love pretzels. Excellent. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to take our writing paper and we're going to put our writing paper on top. So the only thing that we can see is our topic sentence. We're going to line it up very straight with the edge, and then we're going to quickly do our writing alert. And that means you're going to indent, strong capital, write, punctuate, and eliminate. So we're going to indent first. We're going to put 2 fingers, and we're going to make sure that our back is straight. We're holding our paper with our right or left hand, and the other one is writing. We're going to indent, and we're going to copy our topic sentence. Pretzels are terrific. And when we get done copying that, we are going to look back, and we are going to make sure we punctuate it, we have a strong capital, and everything is spelled correctly, and then we're going to eliminate. Afterwards, we're going to move our template down, move our template up, and move our paper down, and we're going to read our next sentence. First, I touched my pretzel. So you see you have more space here, so we're going to keep writing until we run out of space. So I'm going to write first, and then put a comma, then I'm going to go all the way back to the edge. And we're going to write, I touched my pretzel. And when we're done writing that, of course, we're going to put a period at the end of our sentence. Then we're going to go up to the top, and we're going to check to make sure that we put a comma after first. We have a strong capital and a period, and we're going to eliminate. Then we're going to move it down. Now we have 2, so I'm going to put a 1 and a 2 so that I remember to write both of them. And I'm going to keep my template nice and straight with my paper. What did we say our sentence was? When I touched my pretzel, it was lumpy and smooth. Great. So I'm going to start with the strong capital. It was, now I've run out of room again, so I've got to go all the way back. Lumpy and smooth. Perfect. Now we're going to put a period at the end, and we're going to go back up and make sure we use lumpy and smooth, and we have a strong capital, and we're going to eliminate. And then we're going to move our template up and our paper down. Next, I looked at it, and we're going to write that very carefully. Next, I don't know if I have enough space. Let's try it. And if you think you're going to run out of space, you want to make sure to go to the next line. I had just enough space. I'm going to go out to the edge, and I'm going to put a period and a strong capital, and I'm going to eliminate. Make sure I have my comma. And then I'm going to go down to white salt and face. Now remember, this is me looking at it, so I'm going to put a number, 1 and 2. I looked at it. I'm going to write I saw, or it had a white face with salt. It looked like a white face. Let's see. What should I write? I'll say the pretzel instead of using it again because I have it right here. The pretzel looked like a face and had square salt pieces. And I don't have enough room to write pieces, so I'm going to go all the way back. Okay, so let's read that sentence. The pretzel looked like a face and had square salt pieces. And then I'm going to go, because I've punctuated and eliminate, and then I'm going to move down. Last, I tasted my pretzel. So my paper is still lined up. I'm still holding it and sitting up straight. Last, let's start right where I left off. Last, I tasted my pretzel. And put a period, strong capital, comma, and eliminate. And I'm going to move down. Salty and bready. I could say it was salty and and Miss A made a mistake. You can erase yours because you have a pencil and I can't. It was salty and bready. And I'm going to put a period, check for strong capital and comma. I'm going to go back up and eliminate and go to my last one. I love pretzels, and I have just enough room to write I. And then I'm going to write love pretzels. And I'm going to put a period. I'm going to check for a strong capital. I'm going to go back and eliminate. I'm going to take my template. It's already done. And I'm going to go back and read what I have. Ready? Read with me. Pretzels are terrific. First, I touched my pretzel. It was lumpy and smooth. Next, I looked at it. The pretzel looked like a face and had square salt pieces. Last, I tasted my pretzel. It was salty and bready. I love pretzels. That's a terrific essay. We need something at the top. What's missing? Our title. So let's try to come up with something really catchy. If we just write pretzels, is that kind of boring? It is. So how about amazing pretzels? I think that sounds like a great title, and your teacher would probably love to read that. Let's read it together. Amazing pretzels. Pretzels are terrific. First, I touched my pretzel. It was lumpy and smooth. Next, I looked at it. The pretzel looked like a face and had square salt pieces. Last, I tasted my pretzel. It was salty and bready. I love pretzels. Terrific. Now you know how to write an expository essay on pretzels.